What does it mean for SafeMoon bringing its digital currency to Gambia? Let's talk about it. A few weeks ago, John Carney, CEO of SafeMoon, said this phrase: SafeMoon is the freedom of the unbanked. Well, with the Republic of the Gambia planning to test SafeMoon in its country, we will find out soon. But let's backtrack a little bit to get a better understanding of what this all means. Gambia is one of the poorest, if not the poorest country in Africa. Heck, SafeMoon's market cap is larger than the GDP of Gambia. There's even memes about Gambia becoming Wakanda if they adopt SafeMoon to be its currency. Of course, we'll see how that pans out. The idea here is that SafeMoon will strictly be an African currency. It's the poorest continent on Earth, and you can thank decades and decades of colonization for that. Africa is very fractured, and the political and economic turmoil has made it almost impossible for most of the countries to meet the demands of the future. Banks are looking to Africa as a potential market, and SafeMoon is testing its resources on a small African country. Yes, the Gambia is tiny, but you have to start somewhere, and SafeMoon is doing just that. Needless to say, this is very, very ambitious. Introducing a currency system into a country for mass adoption is incredible. The Gambia is legitimate enough to give SafeMoon a foothold, yet small enough to try something revolutionary. Mass adoption of SafeMoon is the goal. The digital infrastructure is there, but there is still plenty of work to do with Gambia and almost all of the African countries. You may think this is another exploitation of Africa, but you do know where Tesla gets some of its lithium to run its cars, right? Here's where things get interesting, and that's the tokenomics of SafeMoon. The mass adoption of SafeMoon tokens in the Gambia would increase the burn rate for SafeMoon holders. The Gambia has roughly 2.5 million people, about the same amount as SafeMoon holders as of this video, but they are an actual economy. While 2 million SafeMoon holders are holding, actual economics work by spending. An economy with millions and millions of transactions every second, people buying food, buying clothes, selling lamps, selling sheet metal. Every purchase raises the price of SafeMoon, and every sale burns tokens out of circulation and redistributes a portion to existing SafeMoon holders. As like most national currencies, SafeMoon will stabilize its price. The exact details remain a mystery as to how this pilot will be implemented, but mass adoption is the key. Many African countries are in debt to the World Bank, the IMF, and other transnational lenders. But the adoption of SafeMoon, a cryptocurrency, will bring unimaginable economic potential to Africa. It starts with the Gambia, but it doesn't have to end there. If mass adoption succeeds in the Gambia, it may be adopted in Senegal, Niger, Chad, and spread the wildfire across the poorer African countries as a liberating force. If you're wondering how SafeMoon could reach 1 cent, here is a part of it. It's exciting. Mass adoption equals an increased burn rate, which lowers the supply of tokens, which stabilizes the token. Millions and millions of transactions every second. An economy powered by SafeMoon. The freedom of the unbanked. What a novel concept. So what are your thoughts? How will mass adoption of SafeMoon change the Gambia? If you like this video, hit the like button, consider subscribing. I talk about money and everything related to it, so don't miss out. And as always, take care of your money.